Testimonial day yoga.
We love this. Please join us. It can be white light or any color.
It was so powerful, just so freaking powerful.
It was a lot of fun doing the workshop today.
The breathwork was amazing, meditation was spot on, and the cold plunge, any time of year, do it.
Breathwork is amazing, love the cold plunge, the community and the group.
The guidance was amazing.
It's my favorite day of the week.
Yeah, always the best part of my Sunday morning.
Amazing meditation. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, David.
It's a great way to get out of your head and into your body.
Jason and David actually made it as unscary as it could possibly be.
The combination, the synergy of the practices, it's amazing.
Get more connected to ourselves and the world. So I'm definitely walking in the path away, having a great Sunday.
David and Jason were incredible and super knowledgeable.
There was joy, there was presence, and there was love.